Hello students, hope I am audible. Yes or no? Yes. This is we are starting this session on this NEET PG recall. The NEET PG recall. Okay, this is session 2, guys. So what we are doing here is session 2. Session 2. How many questions we had? We have around probably 17 to 18 questions. Take overlap with other subjects, we can have more questions also. Okay, fine. Now, what is the answer for this question, guys? Okay, what is the PSM is, I think except one or two questions, all are answerable questions. So you can score marks. Okay, you can score marks. Okay, what is the answer for this question, guys? Which are the components of PQLI? Okay, so here they are discussing. Okay, what is the answer here? Physical quality of life index. So we discussed in the class. Okay, it is ILL1. ILL1, you can remember that. ILL1. I stands for infant mortality rate. L stands for literacy rate. Third is life expectancy at 1 year. PQLI, there is no income, guys. Okay, we do not consider income here. PQLI does not include income, guys. PQLI does not include income. So what is the answer here? What is the answer? Yes, the answer for this question is both A and B are correct, guys. So both A and B are correct. Okay, these questions are based on students recall. Okay, so if you have anything to add, you can add to this, guys. Fine. IMR as well as literacy rate. Okay, fine. Option 1 was correct, 2 of them. Yes, options were only 1 correct, 2 of them. Okay, 3 are none. Okay, maybe. Okay, fine. So if this is there, then it is answer, guys. Okay, ILL1 may be there. Okay. What is this? The statement was given. Okay, who is this character? Okay, and what she was associated with what? Yes, can you tell me? She's an imaginary character. Okay, Sapna and leprosy was given, I think. Sapna, this was the right option, guys. This was the right option. Sapna was a character, girl character, to increase awareness. Okay, to increase awareness about leprosy. Okay, under NLE. Okay, National Leprosy Eradication Program, guys. Okay, this is. Okay, the image is maybe new, okay, but the term Sapna you would have heard. Okay, it's there. Okay, it's easy question. We discussed in the class also. Third question. Correct sequence on disaster management cycle. Okay, fine. So what is the correct sequence? Okay, correct sequence of disaster management cycle. What is your answer? Is what will come first? Fact will come. Then you will response. Following response and relief phase will be there, rehab will be there, mitigation will be there, then preparedness will be. So all of you are answering well. This is disaster impact, response, rehabilitation and mitigation. Okay, so same cycle was asked in first paper also you get one question, second paper. Okay, NLEP logo was asked in the first paper. Okay, fine. So what is this mitigation? Mitigation means, okay, measures taken to reduce the impact, guys. Measures taken to reduce impact. Okay, measures taken to reduce impact. Fine. Arrange the sequence. Okay, I have not arranged it. You tell me what is the order it should be there. Okay, fine. What is the order it should be there? That was the question. The first one is high stationary. Okay, high stationary. Okay, that is the first one. Followed by early expanding phase. Okay, I have not given a question format, but this was the question, that concept was asked. High stationary, early expanding. late expanding, low stationary, and fifth is declining phase. Okay, probably it was not there. Okay, so we'll strike this up. We'll strike this up. The high stationary, early expanding, late expanding, and low stationary, guys. Okay, low stationary. It is based on crude birth rate and crude death rate, guys. Okay, under the same concept, morning they were asked question on death rate, the demographic model, transition model that was asked in the morning session. What is the answer for this question? What is the answer here? In a study, the difference of disease occurrence between two groups were compared. What is the test of significance was used? Okay, you can answer this question. Yes. Okay, difference of disease occurrence between two groups. Okay, disease occurrence. First, what we have to see? Okay, we have to see whether it is quantitative. Qualitative data. Okay, qualitative data. Morning paired t-test was asked, guys. Okay, my question, I think, I'm not sure. Morning it was paired t-test was asked. Some amount, some comparison. This is qualitative data. Okay, vegetarians or non-vegetarian. Okay, fine. So vegetarian, non-vegetarian, two groups was asked. Okay, the data was qualitative data. Data was qualitative data. If qualitative data means two groups, what test? Then it is chi-square test. Chi-square test. Correlation coefficient, Karthik. Correlation coefficient, correlation that deals with strength and direction of relationship. That will not come here. That will not come as a this one. Okay, if the question is qualitative data, so you are saying qualitative data. Qualitative data means it should come in percentage or proportion. How many groups are there? Two groups. Then it is chi-square, guys. Chi-square. Okay, fine. Correlation will tell you the relationship actually between age is there, body weight is there. That relationship, correlation will tell. Okay, I don't think this one will come as correlation. Correlation will not come. To compare data. Data is what type? That is the question. Morning paired t-test was asked. Okay, afternoon chi-square test was asked. Okay, relation of disease and outcome is given. Okay, outcome is comes in percentage, guys. Okay, outcome percentage means two groups means chi-square test. They didn't ask what test. Okay, fine. If you can send me the question, I can go through it, guys. Okay, fine. Quantitative data. If it is quantitative data, then it is unpaired t-test. If data, that is what we need to know. Okay, whether it is measurable data. If it is measurable data, then it is unpaired t-test. If it is percentage not measurable, means it is what we can say is chi-square test. Chi-square test. Okay, fine. Yes. Answer the next question. Yes. Answer the next question. They asked which measure to count. Okay, measure used to collect data. Then also correlation will not come. Compare data. Which measure? Compare data. That is test of significance only, guys. Test of significance only. Okay, fine. The relation they asked about relationship between disease and outcome. Okay, disease and outcome. So if you want this as correlation, it should be two quantitative variables. I think whatever you ask, I think it comes finally chi-square only. Unless it is a quantitative data, it is chi-square only. Fine. Disease X with the incubation period 30 in which people develop disease, 50 in non-vegetable people does this. The finding was no relation. Yeah, this is chi-square test only. It is chi-square test. Okay. So disease occurrence is what data? Qualitative data. How many groups are there? Two groups. No relationship. If you want to prove that, you have to go for chi-square test, guys. Values are not quantitative. The disease is there, no? Disease. Disease means it is countable, not measurable. Then it is qualitative data. Fine. Qualitative, guys. Qualitative. I have seen other students also mention it as qualitative data. What is the answer for this question, guys? So the incubation period of 2 to 14 days, guys. Incubation period of 2 to 14 days. Median incubation period of 10 days. What is the quarantine? Quarantine should be longest incubation period. Longest incubation period. What is the longest incubation period? 14 is the longest incubation period. Okay, so longest incubation period. So yellow fever, it is 3 to 6 days. Quarantine, yellow fever it is 3 to 6 days, guys. Okay, yellow fever 3 to 6 days. So how long will be the quarantine? Quarantine period is 6 days, guys. 6 days. Yellow fever 3 to 6 days. Quarantine period is 6 days. Okay. Answer this question, guys. Okay, this question was asked. Okay, fine. Patient weighing 50 kg was diagnosed having falciparum malaria. What are the drugs given on day 2 of the treatment? Okay, day 2 of the treatment. Okay, not asked. I don't know. Some students have given this morning session. This was in morning session. Okay, if it is morning session 1 question, then we will leave it. Okay, so if it is session 1 question means no problem. What is the answer alone? I will tell you what is the answer here. Okay, artesunate plus primaquine, guys. Okay, artesunate plus primaquine. 4 milligram per kg you have to provide artesunate. It comes in day 2. We don't give this sulfadoxine and pyrimethamine question. Okay, we don't give. So probably first session, no problem. Okay, fine. Yes. Because day 2 you will provide artesunate plus primaquine only you are going to provide. Okay, fine. What about this question, guys? In the motivational model of health education, what is the next step? Okay, after awareness and motivation. Okay, usually these counselors will do. Okay, counselors, okay, will do for people who are de-addiction centers. They will do this. What is the first step? They will create awareness. Okay, after awareness, they will create, okay, motivate them. They will motivate them. Suppose a person want to stop drinking. Okay, they will create hazards of awareness of hazards of alcohol. Then they will motivate them. Finally, they will ask them to take action, guys. Action. Okay, this is motivation model of health education. Okay, so what is the next step here is that is action. Action. Yes, it is action, guys. Awareness, motivation. Finally, it should go for action. Action. Fine. Excellent. All of the following comes under school health services and Ayushman Bharat scheme. Except, the question was except reflection and dedication were the other two were contemplation, action, guys. Okay, fine. Reflection, dedication. Okay, fine. We will see, guys. We will see it. Okay, I think it should be action. It should be action. The question was this. Okay, under Ayushman Bharat. Okay, what are the things? Okay, you will have this school health ambassadors. You will have checkups. You will be doing health promotion activities. You will be doing. Okay, deworming will be done. Okay, so they are providing. Okay, for the adolescent girls. Okay, some areas they are providing the sanitary napkins also. They will provide. Okay, but what is wrong here is IFA tablets is not given monthly. It is given weekly. Okay, the program itself WIFS. Okay, weekly iron folic acid tablet. Weekly, guys. This is not monthly. Okay, monthly. Sanitary napkins, yes. Deworming albendazole we are giving. Okay. Teachers are involved in school health checkup. Teachers were involved. Okay, albendazole was given. Health checkup was given. Okay. So best possible answer. Okay. So that is here is IFA tablets monthly. That has given weekly. We have colored tablets. We have, okay, so we have various colored tablets. Okay, 5 to 9 years. Okay, we'll have this pink color tablet. Okay, under this anemia mukt Bharat. Okay, 10 to 19 years we have this blue color tablet, colored tablets. Okay, fine. Dedication is one of the option. Okay, okay, dedication is one of the option. Okay, but dedication cannot be the answer for that question. It will be action only. Action only. Okay, fine. Yes. Next question, guys. The time period to the entry of infectious agent to maximum infectivity. So very straightforward question. Okay, time period between entry. Okay, entry to maximum infectivity. Okay, maximum infectivity. What is this? Yes, this is generation time. Generation time. Generation time. What is serial interval? Serial interval is the time between the first case and the second case. Incubation period, you know, okay, entry between the agent to onset of signs and symptoms. What is median incubation period? Median incubation period during epidemic will calculate time between entry to 50% of cases to happen. Median incubation period, entry to 50% of option. 50% of cases to occur. Cases to occur, guys. Cases to occur. 50% cases to occur. I don't know the exact question, guys. Okay, early neonatal rate. Okay, okay, doctor. Incubation period was not there in the option. Okay, fine, fine. Incubation period was not there in the option. Okay, maybe right. But the answer is generation time, guys. What is this early neonatal mortality rate? Early neonatal mortality rate 0 to 7 days deaths divided by what will be there? Number of live births multiplied by 1000. Okay, so I think it's a straightforward question. I think exact number I'm not having it is 0 to 7 days this early neonatal. Okay, denominator is live births, guys. Okay, live births, 9 deaths were given. Okay, fine, maybe to substitute in the formula, guys. Okay, so recently they are not asking previously calculations. This exam they started asking calculations, guys. Calculation they started asking, especially this neonatal mortality rate MMR they started asking. 18 was the answer. Okay, maybe, fine. I am not sure. What are the options? Fine, yes. What is the answer for this question, guys? A patient came to OPD with the complaints of diarrhea, dyspnea, pedal edema, and he also has a history of consumption of adulterated food. What best test to identify the condition, guys? Okay, what is the best test to identify the condition? Okay, this what is the diagnosis says? Okay, diarrhea, dyspnea, pedal edema. Okay, maybe most sensitive test. Fine, best test or most sensitive test? Better. Okay, what you are saying is right. Most sensitive test. Okay, most sensitive test. The condition looks epidemic dropsy. Epidemic dropsy. So the most sensitive test is what? It is a paper chromatography, guys. Okay, paper chromatography. Okay, fine. Adulteration was the this one. Okay, mustard oil got adulterated. Was that the question? Mustard oil plus arginamone oil. Okay, that was the adulteration. The arginamone oil contains a toxin called as sanguinarine. The test is as it is paper chromatography test, guys. Okay, if they are asking what is the adulterant, okay, what is the adulterant means that is mustard oil got adulterated with arginamone oil. The condition is epidemic dropsy. Okay, epidemic dropsy. Okay, mustard oil was given. Okay, is it in the question or is it in the options? Mustard oil was given. Mustard oil means it's easily you can say only mustard oil in the question or option. Mustard oil. Mustard oil means it's a directly it says that it is epidemic dropsy, guys. Question. Then the answer is paper chromatography. The most sensitive test is paper chromatography. Anyway, answer is same. The most sensitive test, it is answer here is paper chromatography. Fine. Direct question. Phosphatase test that is used for check the efficiency of pasteurization. Okay, nitric acid test. Two tests are available, guys. One is nitric acid test. Second is paper chromatography. Out of this, paper chromatography is the best test because even a very small amount of adulteration you can able to identify. It's there in the notes. Every notes we will have. Okay, fine. Yes. Nitric acid also will do it, but the question is most sensitive. Most sensitive is paper chromatography. Was this question there? Was this question available there? An unimmunized child of 5 years developed diphtheria. His brother 2 years is exposed and he was immunized up to the age. What prophylaxis should be given? Yes. What prophylaxis should be? Yes. If this is the question, what is the answer? If this is the question, you are asking about their exposure less than 5 years. more than 5 years, less than 5 years, more than 5 years, unimmunized. This is vaccination you are asking. When was the vaccine taken? The child was immunized, okay, no problem. If the child is immunized and the exposed child was immunized, okay, within 5 years means nothing is required. I'm not exactly knowing the question. It's a repeat question, guys. 2020 NEET exam, this was asked. More than 10 years means 1 dose of vaccine. Here only you require penicillin, antitoxin, 2 doses. If brother is unimmunized, okay, you require all you require. Now you have to tell me what is the question. Correct, exact question. Okay, no. You tell me. I'm giving you, this is the situation. Okay. If brother is vaccinated means nothing is required, guys. Okay, if brother is vaccinated more than 5 years means 1 dose is required. Unimmunized means penicillin, antitoxin, 2 doses. Okay, fine. If it is not immunized, then means we have to go for this. Unimmunized means we have to go for this, guys. Okay, unimmunized. Okay, unimmunized. Okay, fine. I think the person elder one is unimmunized. Okay, I think younger one was immunized, I think. Okay, this brother elder one is unimmunized, but the younger one is immunized. Okay, I think if they are asking the question, they will ask for nothing only. To my knowledge, this whatever question I have written, it is nothing, guys. Okay, fine. Fine, nothing is required. For the question what I have given, answer is nothing, guys. Okay, answer is nothing. This is one of the sadistic question in the exam. Okay, yes. Younger one was immunized. Even if immunized also, nothing is required. Nothing is required. This is one of the sadistic question. It's there in the textbook of Park. Okay, at least one such question. What is the answer? So, ventilation, criteria. Okay, what is the answer here? Criteria, fresh air. Okay, this concept is no longer followed, but they ask this question. What is the answer? Yes, it is carbon dioxide. This is another sadistic questions. Little difficult one to answer. It's there in the textbook of Park. Okay, but it's no longer followed. No, it's there directly. Is there in the book. Okay, I can show from the book. Directly, it is there in the book, guys. Okay, directly this criteria not followed now. Not followed. There in the book, guys. It's there in the book. Checked it. Okay, even I am also not aware of it. It's there. It's there in the textbook of Park. Answer this question, guys. Next question. In a study, a total number of live births was found to be 4,000. There were 6 maternal deaths. Out of them, 1 sepsis, 1 eclampsia, 1 due to snake bite rejected, 1 due to accident rejected, 1 due to obstructed labor, 1 due to death by ectopic pregnancy. So 4 by 4,000 multiplied by 1 lakh. 400 by 4, answer is 100. Answer is 100. Okay, fine. Now it doesn't matter. I think this is the question. It doesn't matter whether it is 75 is given or not. No problem. Okay, answer is 100. Okay, answer is 100 per 1 lakh live births. 75 was there in the option. Maybe, no problem. Okay, you can make it instead of 725. No problem. Okay, fine. Yes. This is also a question, but I think you can, if you can take a risk and answer this question. What is longevity dividend? Okay, if this is that the option, I don't know what is the option. Okay, what is longevity dividend? It says that it represents the health and economic gains expected to occur to individuals and societies resulting from successful efforts to slow the biological process of aging. This is longevity dividend, guys. Okay, what is the benefit you are going to get? Okay, what is the benefit you are going to get in terms of health and economic gains? I am not sure about the options. Okay, so if you can tell me the option, then it is okay. But this concept, if you see the options, I think you can answer this. What is the longevity dividend? Okay, fine. Okay, if you know the options, please put it there, guys. Okay, fine. Yes. Vaccine to be kept at bottom shelf of ILR. I don't know options. There are certain vaccines you have to put it at the bottom shelf, guys. Okay, what are the vaccines you should put the bottom? Okay, these are heat sensitive vaccine, BCG, OPV. Okay, measles. Okay, only one age or one option was there. Then it is okay, guys. It can answer it. Okay, JE. These are some rota. These are some of the vaccines. Okay, you can have to put at the bottom shelf. All these things are heat sensitive, guys. Okay, I think it was intervention for prolonging option. Okay, prolonging health. I think if you know the English, we can answer. Top shelf means, I think they are asked bottom shelf. Is it top shelf or bottom shelf? Is it top shelf or bottom shelf, guys? Okay, it's bottom shelf. Okay, it's bottom. Bottom means answer is OPV, guys. Answer is OPV. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, that's it from me. I think except one question, I think all are answerable, guys. Okay, all are answerable. Okay, so take care of yourself. All of you get a good results, guys. Okay, see you as a PG in some college. Okay, fine. Thank you.